Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Wargo and today I'm back in the kitchen for a brand new episode of Forking Around. This is episode 8, I think. Wow. I have learned a lot over these past 8 episodes. Today I'm actually making something that I'm a big fan of. It's not going to be difficult. This is not going to be one of the difficult ones, but I love ranch dressing. Right? I love it with fries or mozzarella sticks, vegetables, salad sometimes. But I have a big problem with things like this. These are disgusting to me. I'm sorry. I'm not to throw you under the bus, Hidden Valley Ranch, but it's not good. It's not good. When you go to a restaurant and you're like, hey, can I get a side of ranch? That's good, right? This, not so much. So what I wanted to do was figure out how to make restaurant-style ranch for myself that tasted good. And so that's my plan today. It's not hard. I looked it up. It's just a few ingredients. It doesn't even take any cooking, just some of this action. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this ranch, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to get a couple different things to try with it. And I'll also try this stuff and see how it compares. So that's my plan today. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited you're here. So we need half a cup of mayo and half a cup of sour cream. It's healthy, I know. You know, making this might actually scare me into never having ranch dressing again because I'll be like, that's what's in it? That's what this is? Oh, I see. Okay, we're gonna put that in here. I'm just gonna use the sour cream in the same one because I only have one and it's all going to the same place. So we need a half cup of sour cream, right? Yep. Okay, getting in there. Now I'm gonna get a little spatch, just get the insides, and then half a cup of regular milk. Hi, Sherms. Sherman is down here helping me. He's waiting for a bite. He's not gonna get one. He's not gonna get one. What I didn't do is I didn't show you all the ingredients together, so I'm gonna show you that right now. And as you can see, I actually forgot to put milk out when I filmed this. So it's all the ingredients minus milk. I'll put a link to the recipe description that I used for this thing, which they were all pretty similar, so you know, really go nuts. Do what you gotta do, you know? Half cup milk. Beautiful. Look at our creamy, milky substance. I'm just gonna whisk it together. Nice and ranchy. And we're almost done, folks. You've been very patient. Y'all get gold stars today. Okay, and now we're gonna add in our spices. Half a teaspoon of dried chives. Boom. Half a teaspoon of dried parsley. Boom. 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of dried dillweed. I was cheap and so I just got this little packet. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Boom. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. Boom. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just a little boom, boom. Oop, that was probably a lot. Whatever. 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. So just a beep, 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 beep. Okay, and then what we do is we just stir this now. Oh, this looks like ranch. Oh, this looks like good deli ranch. Oh, nice. This is gonna be tasty, guys. Okay, and then the last thing that we do is we just put some lemon juice up in there. This adds a citrus element to it. Obviously. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm making ranch dressing on YouTube, guys. I don't know. I don't know where my life went. Okay, we're gonna stir that in. And that's it. That's the recipe. That's ranch dressing. It's that simple to make. And look at how much you get, you know? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then when it's cold, I'm gonna get some tasty foods to try with it, and we'll just go from there. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys when this stuff is cold. Woo! Okay, it is time to try my ranch dressing. What I have here, I'm just gonna go through it. I've got my ranch, which looks fantastic. It looks like deli ranch. I've got the Hidden Valley Ranch, which I would consider to be complete garbage. And then I've got local fast food ranch, which actually I consider to be better than the Hidden Valley. It's probably all the chemicals, I don't know. What I also have, I have French fries, I have mozzarella sticks, I have carrots, and I have salad with chicken. So I'm gonna try everything, and depending on what I like, I'll just stick with that. But for the first taste test, what we're gonna do is I want to kind of work my way to mine. I don't want to start with mine. I want to work my way. So I'm going to try this fast food ranch. It's fine. It's fine. Hidden Valley. So salty. Why is it so salty? What is wrong with you guys? It's not the fry. My ranch. It's chunky. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Winner is my ranch. That's so much better than these. Wow, I'm amazing. Okay, let's try with a carrot. Yeah, it works healthy too. Okay, actually I have another carrot. Said no one ever. What I really like about my ranch is the flavors of the spices are really, they come out. You know, I can really taste the dill. What's the big dill? It just tastes more fresh. I don't know why, you know, because it is more fresh probably. That's probably why. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. This is what really matters, a mozzarella stick. The cheese and the ranch. Okay. I see you there. Will I want this in a salad? That's really good, guys. I'm really impressed. It's such an easy such an easy dressing to make with just a power punch of delivery. Right in your face. All right, well that was a treat. That was a real treat. I'm super excited by this recipe that I learned today. Not difficult, but it was a lot of fun. Hope you had fun too. If you did, make sure you punch the like button, subscribe, comment, you know what to do. And I'll see you on the next video. Eat a cookie or some ranch. Oh yeah, get out of here.